Hello to you, and welcome back to my channel. This is Big Rod Eats, and today we are doing another mukbang. We are going in with the corn and potato mukbang. Everything looks so delicious, but we also have not as big as the usual. We have some tiny little crab legs because I wanted the crab to make the sauce, so I just bought some of those. And I have some crab head. Yeah, crab head. Yeah, baby. So we're going in with all of that goodness. Yeah. Maybe the light is too bright on this side, so let me try to put it over here. Yeah, so you get, yeah, there we go. And the sauce. Where did I put the sauce? I need darker plates, don't you think? Some darker plates with this light right here. But yeah, so let us say grace and dig in. Lord, I give you thanks for this food that you have provided. I pray that you will bless it, that it will nourish my mind, my body, and my soul. In Jesus' name, amen. All right. Let's dig in. First of all, good afternoon to you. If this is your first time coming to my channel, visiting my channel, viewing my videos, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe, baby. All right. We also have our sriracha sauce here. I'm getting way too excited, so let me start eating. Oh, yes. This sauce. When I was making the sauce, I looked at the Be Lovely. That ginger goodness. Maybe my sauce could have been a little bit more thicker, but it's so good. I tried doing the Be Lovely sauce. So there's some cayenne pepper in it. All them good spices, some onions, some garlic, all of that. I also made it with the crab legs and some leftover mussels from my last mukbang. The spicy, oh, this is spicy. The spicy spaghetti mukbang. Yeah, that one. So good. Why can't I see the corn? Okay, maybe. There we go. This is so good. This potato. All that onions and garlic chopped in it. Oh, God. I never thought I would be eating Irish potato and corn, you know, without chicken or without pork or without some form of meat. We have the corn here, but you know, this does not. This is so good. So in this I have black pepper, I have chili flakes, I have chili pepper, I have cayenne pepper. That's how this is pronounced, eh? You know, all that good spice. Oh. Try the corn. All that ginger stuff. Oh my God. Corn is just too good. All of that. Yeah. I don't know why I brought sriracha sauce, because this is already so spicy. It's raining today, guys. And all I really want to do is go to bed and sleep. But I have to go to the gym. Oh my god. I'm the only one eating this sauce, so I can leave my corn to soak up all that goodness. I'm going to get in trouble with my mother for eating like this, but she's all the way in Jamaica. And she's afraid of airplanes. So I can do what I want. Huh. Oh God. Whew. Hot. Alright, I'm gonna try eating these baby crabs. I should be able to eat all of that. So soft. Jesus. Father Abraham. This is a mini seafood boil with all these small crabs. But it's just as good as the big old jumbo crabs. What do you think? Ooh. It's not that big. You know, it goes. I want to get all my meat out of this claw, so I'm going to open it with a scissors, even though it is so very small. But hey. Ooh. So dry. Maybe I should get a fork to get all of that goodness out of it. I have a chopstick here. Oh God. Man. Where has this food been all this time? Jesus. I think I might do this again. With a big crab. A big boy needs some big crab, yeah? This is soft and so nice. My sinuses are draining now with all that spice, but hey, spice is good. Oh, I haven't tried the crab head. Let's look at that. Oh my god. Okay. That's the inside. Oh, this is a pool of goodness right here. Oh my god. Oh, Lord have mercy. Let's mix it all. Mmm. And the good thing is that I bought these crab heads pre-prepared, so they have like cheese in them. God, it's so creamy. Ooh. That's spicy. Corn in. Ooh. This is. When somebody said to me, why didn't you, in the last video, allow the butter to melt on over the corn? I was like, I should have done that. So I did it in this video. So that's why you don't hear me with a lot of butter on them. Some more potatoes. This is hot. So so for those of you who are concerned about me eating a lot of food, this is the first, whenever I do a video, I only eat one time for the day. And then I go to the gym. I'm not going to use that sriracha sauce. No way, baby. Hell no. Ooh. That pinched me a while ago. I need my meat from out of this. Come here, Mr. Scissor. Get up in there. Get up in there. Get up in there. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Yes. Clean off all that mess here. The meat's very small, but it's a small crab. Oh God, did you? Look at this thing. Yes, Lord. space is being made for this heavenly goodness. For this goodness. The only thing we can do with these is just chew them up and suck the juice from them. Mix it that spicy sauce. It's heavenly. I still have a lot, well, not a lot, just this to go. My mouth is on fire. Some more creamy crab goodness. Gum in the side. Sorry about that. It's just dripping everywhere. I'm gonna use my muscles as a spoon. Here we go. Right, drinking soup. Don't mind me with this mess. So good. Good. It has been a really long time since I've had crab. Really long time. And so I've forgotten about how delicious it really is. Look at all that meat. Oh God. And really, when you're preparing it, you really don't need any. You really don't need to add any seasoning to it because you need that crabby flavor. The sauce has it because I cooked it in the sauce. And so everything everything has that crabby goodness. Excuse me. More space for more food. Don't forget to give your boy some love. Show your boy some love. Yes. Are you hungry? You want some crab, some mussels, some potato, some corn? Go get it. If you can't, just imagine eating all of this and enjoying it. I'll enjoy it for you and that. Okay? Don't worry about it. I can do it. I can eat it for you. Don't worry, don't worry. And you know something? Food is more delicious when you eat it with your hands. For some reason. I have more corn. My board is so messy. Woo. I would eat this every day. And so I just cannot afford to have food like this in my house all the time, because I would just want to eat it. I just want to eat. Which means I would have to go to the gym more often. Well, I go to the gym every day anyways. So I'm getting that garlic, that ginger, that spice. Oh my god. You know? These potatoes are really filling. Oh my god. This is the one that I cooked the longest in the sauce. And so it is popping with flavors. It is popping with tons of flavor. I'm getting there, I'm getting there, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Woo-hoo! And then I had the final claw. Cut that off. Cut into this bad boy. Be careful. It feels good to cut it. But you've got to be careful. Whew. Corn. Corn is so delicious by itself. It's amazing. Last one. It's 4:30. So I'm going to save these two crab heads in case I get hungry later after the gym. Or I'll eat them for lunch tomorrow. I'm not going to eat those today. Wow. Look at this mess. Got some mussels over here. I have to eat the mussels because they're overnight mussels. I have to eat those. And they're so good. Yeah. The little sauce that is left, I will use it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. That's some good spicy sauce. I've got nothing much to eat with it. Okay, guys, that is all. I've had it all. Thank you so very much for visiting my channel. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you so very much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you in another video. This is Big Rod Eats. Until then, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Big Rod Eats, and please enjoy my videos. See you next time.